There is another smart way to add the dimension. Suppose I create a line. When I create the line, at the time it shows the numeric input box. If you can see this numeric input box, that means that there is an option. This is unchecked, so you have to check this thing. So you have to go to the option, then in the system options, go to sketch and enable this, check this option. This is enable on a screen, numeric input on entry creation. When you check this option, then you will get this numeric input box. In the numeric input box, you can maintain the dimension. Suppose during this sketch, if I put 200 and enter, that means this line, length of the line is 200, but it's not help that much because it's not putting any dimension here. Again, I enable this line tool, and in the line tool there is another new option. It shows that is add dimension. If I put that add dimension, and if I press this thing, just put the dimension automatically because I put it the add dimension. If you want, if I press the right button, from here you can enable and disable sketch numeric input and also add dimension. This is very quick because in the right menu button you can get this thing, this pop-up menu bar. But there is another option that is most interesting and most user-friendly option. In the sketch, under this option there is another option. If I check this option and OK, now it will help very much because when I try to create a rectangle, it's disabled now, but it's add dimension, but there is a certain condition for this to add the dimension. Suppose I will make a rectangle. In this case, I put it, before I put anything, just if I want to toggle between these two dimensions, this length and width, if I press tab key, you see by this way you can toggle this thing and you can put multi-dimension in the single sketch. Now suppose this width I put 170. If I put the enter, it will automatically goes to the length. I have to put the length. Suppose I will not put any length here. I will put any random length here by clicking the mouse. This only input the length, width, not the length, because I did not mention the length. In the system option, in the sketch, it says create dimension only when the value is entered. If I enter the value, a dimension will be automatically added. But if I don't enter any value, then the dimension will not be added. So this is very user-friendly option. Normally by default this option will not be checked. So if you want, you can check this thing, but this is very smart way to do this.